Hey guys, good afternoon. Going to go over our Forex trades for today, Thursday, July 17th. We had some action here. We did have 5 trades, mostly overnight. We do have some positions still on that so far moved against us, but have not been stopped out. Unfortunately, there was some news. I'm sure you've heard by now. Apparently, some Ukrainian rebels shot down a passenger Malaysian airline with approximately 300 people aboard. Assuming everybody perished, I don't know, but it obviously created some volatility in the currency markets and as well as the stock market, and I'm sure in the treasury and the bond market. We all want volatility. Unfortunately, we don't want volatility at the expense of human lives. I don't think it's a rumor from what everything I'm hearing. It's we know that the President of the United States has been informed of it, so odds are it doesn't sound like it's a rumor at all. Unfortunate for those on board, and more just as unfortunate for those that did it, because hopefully they will be hunted down and taken care of. Anyway, so let's go over the trades that we did close out so far today or last night. We had 5 trades, pulled out 28.9 pips, and one of them we actually pieced out of, and we'll go over that. So the first one you're looking at here is U.S. dollar, Canadian dollar. We got a signal to go short this. This was a cake of a trade. We got a signal to go short 1.07426. Just came right in our favor right off the bat. Moved so quickly. We just covered quickly. We really didn't even look at the chart. Maybe we could have held on and grabbed a little more, but it was 10.4 pips so quickly that you just react sometimes and you just take it. This big spike and this big spike up, big spike down. This was news. Canada was what was it? Maybe interest rate decision or something. I don't remember quite. But we weren't going to trade it just because it's you can see how you can't trade that. It's just so difficult. So a couple hours later, we got the signal to go short. So next trade you're looking at here was a long in Australian dollar Japanese yen, 95.266. Just basically bought the top. We set our stop, and we got taken out. Lost 18.7 pips. Basically, once it's going to break this area is where you're going to want to get out. These bottoms here from 2 days ago. So we took the loss, 18.7 pips on that. Nothing you could do with it. Looking at the chart, maybe we shouldn't have taken it, but it could have very easily came up to this level here. It could have very easily been worth 7, 8, 9, 10 pips. So and you got to give it some room to wiggle. So we got stopped out with the 18.7 pip loss. Euro Australian dollar, similar type trade as the last one we just looked at in a way. 1.44497, we go long. It's at the half figure, it gets through it. We were thinking it was going to run up to like these bottoms back here from a few days ago, and this bottom from 2 days ago, which would have been 1.44, say 65 area, 66 area. It didn't get there. We tried to give it some time, but after about an hour or so of not being able to go, it's evident it's not gonna do it. It's not evident, but it's a pretty good bet that it's not going to break through. So we took the 11.4 pips and ran. Ultimately, we ended up being right. It could have. I thought it was going to pop up, really did, and I thought it was going to run another 5 or 6 or 7 pips. It just couldn't, for whatever reason, just couldn't muster it. This was a trade. We were short U.S. dollar Japanese yen, 101.564. Took a few hours, came in our way. This was late last night, about 11 o'clock or so. Just got out of the trade. It's at the half figure. You got these bottoms here from a few days ago. So, and it was breaking it, but again, it was right as we're going to bed to shut it down for the day. You got to put your you have your stop in, you got to put your profit target in. Picked up 5.6 pips. Unfortunately, it happened so late last night. You know, if it was earlier in the day, you know, we would have definitely made a lot more than 5.6 pips, but we'll take it and we'll move on. And this was a great trade from this morning, pound the yen, and this is what I'm talking about. We short this 173.518. It just kind of jiggles back and forth and then finally starts to break. You know, the first cover is right in these range of these, you know, these bottoms here. You see this consolidation back on the 14th for a few hours, and then consolidation back here on what's this, the 13th. Clear area to get out, so we get out of half there, picked up 13.6 pips on that half, and you know, it's just like, all right, let's give it a few minutes and see if it can bust through it. Sure enough, it busts through it, and busts through it pretty hard, and came down, and then as, you know, we were hoping it was really going to come in harder, it started to stall out and jiggle here, so that was our clue to get out. I don't know what it's going to do here, you know, it just might hold this level, or she might continue down, but we picked up 26.9 pips on that half, for a total of these two of about 20.2 pips. So in the end, 28.9 on 5 trades. Wasn't as good as yesterday, but you know, we'll take it. Could have been a little bit better, but again, definitely we'll take it. So if you're still trading now, good luck. Signals, if they come out, they'll be coming your way. And that's it. And we'll wrap up, and we'll see if we get any other trades later this afternoon and this evening. Have a great rest of your day.